As AT&T, Sprint, and Verizon are adjusting to the marketplace due to products and services, they are sending smaller, less profitable jobs to contractors. These new entry technicians require training and will need a well-established trainer to teach them fiber optics. John Bruno, a well-known trainer for over 20 years, and Bob Licari have trained in excess of 20,000 students, will teach new technicians basic fiber optic theory, connector and cable identification and installation, OTDR, fusion splicer, and test set operation. FIS conducts fiber optic training locations throughout the U.S. Corporate training can be conducted at your facility, and custom classes are created to respond to your desired subjects and time restraints. We have training classes at the Brightside, at Racket Lake, New York. 3 days of training experience in the Adirondack that is never forgotten, and delivering our greatest impact on the technology. We recognize the importance of future connections to the fiber optic industry, gaining access to technical assistance and companies that are leaders in our industry. The ability to secure fast delivery from inventories at fair prices should also be part of the educational experience. Knowledge and relationships is power, underestimated by few. To attend a fiber optic training, go to fisuniversity.com or contact Grace et al. at 315-737-2169.